Hello students, welcome to the first part of our next unit, which is color field theory. We're going to start with design with an ink blot and a double face. So we're going to show you how to design these out so you can make your own. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a sheet of paper, then you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to tear that half into two parts. And then you're going to fold them again. And you can do this either vertically or horizontally. Here we're doing horizontal. And I am going to draw into this with some paint straight from the tube. And I'm going to rub the back of it as it's folded inside. And it's going to transfer both of those designs onto each other. So we're going to do 4 of these ink blots first. So here's the second one. So I'm going to take this, we're repeating the process. I'm going to ask you to make 4 ink blots and 4 double faces. So this time I'm going vertical instead of horizontal. I've got a liquid paint. This is a little bit more paint than I wanted, a little too much. So less is probably better with these. If you go too heavy, you're going to end up with messy, messy hands. Here's a little bit less on this one. And you're just letting this happen kind of randomly, like you would if you were doing a Rorschach ink blot. You can kind of go back and like touch it up with your finger and squish it together again, and it will make a different one. So now we're going to make some double faces. Now, when I say double face, what it is you're going to cut it out, and what you're going to be able to do is turn it over and see a second kind of face, even though you might try to make it look like something else. So what I'm doing here, first I cut out the head shape on the outside. Now I'm cutting out an eye shape. Now I'm cutting out a nose shape. And finally we're cutting out a mouth shape. So 4 different cuts. One is going to be the head shape, one is the eye shape, one is the nose shape, and one is the mouth shape. And then you can pull it apart or flip it over, and that makes a face. Like the other ones, you can do this vertical or horizontal. So here I am cutting out a head shape. Then I'm starting here with a nose shape. And here is my eye shape. Finally, a mouth shape. You can do this in any order. Doesn't matter. Then I unfold it. That's what it looks like. Or I could flip it upside down. They kind of work either way. So I've got 2 more to do. If you have a little accident like that and there's a little bloop of paper that doesn't fit, you can just cut around it. It's not going to really affect your design. Or it might be something that's like a happy accident. This one I decided to use kind of more straight lines each time. So I'm trying to cut very straight each time to get kind of more squarish shapes. Maybe this one's more of a robot compared to the other ones that are maybe more monster-ish or spooky face. And you can make these look like something specifically if you want. This next one after this, I did try to do kind of a Frankenstein kind of look. So there's my robot face. So here we go with the last one. We're going to go through, we're going to cut the outside shape. So that's the head shape. The folded part goes on the inside, so you don't want to cut that out. You'll end up ruining your, almost like a snowflake, like when you cut them out. You got to keep the inside edge. There's my eye shape. I'm going to cut out big nose shape. Finally, I'll do a little mouth and try to make this look more like a frowny mouth. Put a little tooth in there. Sorry, some of this did end up off camera, but here we go. And voila, there's my Frankenstein. And here are all the designs together. And hope you enjoyed this quick design. Now you go and make 8 of your own.